Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Kelly. Hi, if you're new. Today, as you guys might be able to tell by the title down below, I am sharing with you guys what is on my iPhone 13 Pro Max. I am so excited to be sharing this video with you guys because I did share an unboxing a few weeks ago. I'll insert a card in case you want to check it out. And a lot of you guys asked to see what's on it. I was just really getting used to the phone, and I've also been uploading a lot of other videos. So I'm so excited to finally be sitting down to share with you guys what's on my phone. So I ended up getting the Pro Max, which is such a change because I had the iPhone 11 and I absolutely loved it. We were due for an upgrade. We are with T-Mobile and I had the regular one, so jumping up to the Max was such a difference because it is seriously such a big phone, and I'm excited to share with you guys what is on it. I also got it in the blue color and I think it's absolutely stunning, and I just think it's such a fun phone. The camera on it's amazing, so I'm so excited to sit down and share with you guys everything about it. Before we get into this video though, definitely hit that subscribe button down below. It seriously means the world to me, and we're so close to 18,000 subscribers, which is so heartwarming, and I just couldn't be more grateful for every single one of you guys. So I hope you're having a great day, and we're just gonna get right into this video. So this is what the outside looks like. I kind of showed this earlier, but it just has the 3 cameras. I don't know if the blue color is picking up really well, but that is what it looks like. The screen's beautiful too, and I just love it. I will say though, I do keep this case on it, and this is from Target. It is part of the Heyday brand. It is this beautiful like baby pink case, and I just snap it on like that. Personally, I didn't really care what color I got when I got the phone, so it's okay that the pink case is on it, but I do like the little pop of blue up here. And I had the silver, I think, before. I did a ton of videos like this on my old phone. But so this is what my lock screen looks like. It's just my boyfriend and I think it's a really cute picture. And I don't have a password on it, but you do have the flashlight and camera. Sorry, you're like seeing the light reflection. And currently right now I have it, oops, in my mode. So I want to share this with you guys. You can swipe down this way and it has your like things like normal, but there's this new thing called focus, and I currently have my filming focus on, which I didn't know. I think it's an iOS update because you can get it on your phones that are older than this one, and basically it lets anyone who's trying to contact me know that I'm filming. It's a custom one, but they also have do not disturb, sleep, work, and driving, which I think is really cool, and I just kind of take advantage of that feature. But that's like the only new thing on here. I'm gonna put a screen recording starting now of what you guys might see what I'm looking at. So I will just swipe up to unlock my phone. I do not have a password on my phone, and it's really, really simple. I keep all my apps on one page. I love it. I have a simple pink background that matches the case. It just happens to be my favorite shade of pink ever. So at the top I have my phone, and with the new phone, I don't know if this happens every time, but I had to reset like my voicemail thing. So that's why I have the notifications. I have a FaceTime, and then I have my clock. So I'm curious, do you guys set like an alarm for like every 5 minutes? Because this is starting to become a problem. I used to be able to jump out of bed right away, and now it takes me forever to wake up. Then I just have my calendar, and you guys know I use my calendar for literally everything in my life. It's all synced up with my computers. It's amazing. Then I just have the Photos app. Nothing's really too different in there. Settings, maps, notes, reminders, Gmail, all the boring kind of apps, honestly, weather, and the wallet. So then these get into the folders on how I categorize my phone. So I have blog and podcast. So I have the Like to Know It creator and the Like to Know It app. And I'm pretty sure, I'm not 100% sure, but basically this is just like how to shop Like to Know It. I don't really use this app too much, but it's really cool. And then this one is, I'm not even logged in. It logged me out of all my apps. But basically I use that on my computer, and for my blog post, that's how I do my affiliated links. So it's just nice to have it on your phone. But again, I don't really use it that often, but I keep it on here. I have my Wordpress app, which honestly the second one is just a internet grab. You can make any internet page from like Safari into an app. So this is just my blog, Kellyprepster. I haven't posted to it in forever, so we're just gonna move on from that. Then I have a podcast and Anchor and Drive and Docs. So my boyfriend and I have a podcast called Call You Later. It's linked down below. We use all of those apps to figure it all out, and we use Anchor to upload our podcast. Then I have shows, and oh my gosh, I feel like I have a subscription problem because we have Netflix, Hulu, Disney, Peacock, and Paramount. Love it. I started watching The Grinch Stole Christmas on Hulu, the new one, and I love it. So this is really fun to have different movie options. Then in photos, I have a few. I don't really use all of these too much. I usually edit a lot of my photos with the Snapseed app, which is by Google. If you guys would like to see a video on how I edit my photos, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. But all of those I just kind of have. So Afterlife I paid for, and I like can't get rid of it, along with Facetune, because I'm like, oh, I just feel like I spent money on it. I might use it eventually. PixArt's how you can add like little funky stickers to your picture. This app is like a vintage camera. Then Visco, which is kind of like a social media of photos. I just don't use it anymore. And then Mini Print is this like little printer that I got from Canon, and you can use that app to print off little 2x3 pictures, which is so cool. I got that for Christmas last year and absolutely love it. Then I have my health and fitness category. So I have my Apple Watch Fitness, which tracks my steps, my movement, and my stand goals, and I love it because I wear my Apple Watch religiously. I go to the gym like crazy with it. I have the Treadmill app, which is really nice because it is like an HIIT treadmill guide. So if you don't know what to do on the treadmill, I recommend that app. It's free. I have my Fitness Pal when I do track my calories, but I don't really do that because I follow intuitive eating. I have Fit Days because that is the app that came with my scale to weigh in. I have C25K, which is another running app, and then the 5K runner, which I honestly don't really want, so I'm gonna delete that. This is bad that I'm doing this on camera. Okay, anyways, I have my social media column. So I have YouTube. I just love watching YouTube. Like, oh my gosh. I recently talked about my favorite YouTuber, Grow with Joe, and she does at-home workouts and it's like walk off the weight, but they're so fun. Like, I just choose to do that in my free time because it's so much fun. Then I have YouTube Studio, which is how I respond to your guys' comments. It's just analytics about my channel. I have TikTok, which you guys, I don't really post as much as I would like to, but I'm trying to, and I know come December I'm going to be posting like crazy. Then I have Instagram, which my Instagram is just at Kellyprepster. Again, I post more stories than anything, but I really need to get posting on there. Preview is how you can set up your Instagram feed, but I honestly could care less about Instagram feeds anymore. I feel like it's like you just gotta post what you want to post, but that's just my personal opinion. Then I have Snapchat. Then of course my Pinterest. I was looking up holiday cookies, which as you guys can tell, I'm just so ready for the holidays. I have like holiday decor up and everything. Then I have Twitter, which I'm not logged in. Oh, no, I'm not. So I don't know why I have a notification for that. And then just Facebook Messenger, and I have the Fantasy Football League. So I am part of John and his friends and family's league, and I think I've talked about this before. It's so much fun. Me and John are currently tied for first place, so it's a little competitive here. And then I have my shopping category. I have eBay, Costco, McDonald's, Amazon, my banking, PayPal, Etsy, sell on Etsy, and the T-Mobile app, which is if you're a T-Mobile member, you get like T-Mobile Tuesdays or something. I don't know, I'm still really new to it. My Etsy is at Kellyprepster Studio, and I have a ton of bracelets on there, so you definitely want to go check it out. And there's a sale. If you use the code YouTube, you get $12 off $24, so basically half price if all you have to spend is $12. Then I just have some games. So I have Sudoku, Flow Free, Duolingo, and Twit. Oh goodness, I didn't even share with you guys what is on my bottom bar. So I have Safari, I have Spotify. I was listening to the Gals on the Go podcast, but my Spotify is just at Kelly Tomlinson. And oh my gosh, my new favorite playlist, I called it Fireball. And it just has a bunch of like 70s, 60s rock music, but I love it. But there's tons of random playlists over there. So fun. I have messages, and then I have the camera app. And you guys, the zoom and stuff on this is crazy. So like, we're gonna go in selfie mode right now. It's so cool. So like you can do like portrait mode in selfies now, which I feel like that was not a thing. And then you can also do like panos, which I think is funny. Okay, that one you can't do in selfie. But the video quality, oh, hold on, I'm gonna go this way to my shelf, okay? You can go like zoom in. That's so crazy. And you can zoom all the way out. I just think this is absolutely insane. So I had to share that with you guys. But that is everything that is on my phone. I will have my phone case linked down below in the description box. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. And if you haven't already, definitely hit that subscribe button down below. It helps my channel so much and I really, really appreciate it. Again, I hope you guys are having a great day and I'll see you guys very soon with my next video. Bye guys.